This video presents how to perform the initial setup of Dynaway EAM Manufacturing. The initial setup will be automatically run after installation, but if you decide not to do it right after the installation, you can run it from the Extension Management, Assisted Setup or Dynaway Assisted Setup. Select 3 dots on the Dynaway EAM Manufacturing extension line and select Setup. If you haven't completed the Dynaway EAM setup before installing EAM Manufacturing, you won't be able to start the EAM Manufacturing setup. The Dynaway Assisted Setup page, with all initial setups for our extensions, can be opened from the Dynaway EAM License Information page. On the first page, you can see 2 sections: Welcome to Dynaway EAM Manufacturing with a link to the documentation, and Setup Walkthrough with a link to this very video you're watching. On the next page, you can set up the standard Business Central Manufacturing module. You have to complete it before starting to work with EAM Manufacturing. If you've already set up the standard manufacturing module, you can skip this step. Firstly, you should check if your company's user experience is set to premium, then you should set up the standard manufacturing module. Below the setup link, you will find a link to a Microsoft article about setting up the manufacturing module in Business Central. On the third page, you can select the initial production order status, which is connected to asset downtime. You can also specify the maintenance routing number by selecting Setup Default Maintenance Routing, or by selecting one of the routings created by you. On the same page, you can specify the counter journal template to which the automatic registrations of counter values will be imported. You can also specify the counter journal batch to which the automatic registrations of counter values will be imported. On the final page, you will find 3 links. The first one will lead you to Dynaway Help, which contains documentation about our Business Central products. The second one will take you to a video library with more in-depth webinars. The last one will take you to our newsletter, so you will stay updated with everything that we are doing. The initial setup of this module is completed. To save this setup, select Finish.